How to log out from Falou account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video you will learn how you can log out from Falou account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Falou account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, on this page you can see different options. You can see different courses of yours, and then by the lowest part of the screen you can see three icons, namely courses, words, progress. So just head over to the progress page, and then move to the top right corner where you can see a gear icon. Once you can see this, click on it. Then on the values page, click on sign out. All right, sign out stands for log out as well. So just click on sign out, and then just like that you'll be logged out of your Falou account. You can see how easy it is, right? So ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.